gives us, we have an appointment here at 8 o'clock on Tuesday and Thursday, 9 o'clock. And it's our Tuesday and Thursday. My son's gym, he said, you can go anytime, Mum, I'll pay for you. And I said, you can pay for Fitness Enhancement. He said, no, you go to my gym. But I couldn't go to this gym. They got all these muscle people walking around. So this suits us perfectly. And you only exercise to what you can do and push, you know, the trainers push you a little bit. And count to make sure you do the whole exercise.
And besides a whole week of looking after the house, sweeping, polishing, brushing, cooking, running around the place after people, it's too late to get dinner. No, that's a big job.
Do you do that, Bruce, or do I?
No.
I think a personal trainer is best when you're our age, because like you said, trainers don't count head. Actually, trainers do count. So if I was doing the gym, I'd do a few punches and that's round about 10. But when your trainer's there counting, you do the full gamut of the exercises, all in half an hour. I had a knee replacement somewhere along the line, and Madeline was training with us at the time. There were 3 of us training, and I would come along and just sit on the bike and exercise 30 minutes with no weight on or anything, and my knee's good as gold, because the week after I had the knee replaced, I was on the bike doing half an hour just, you know, rotating, and that was really good the day after. So all that foreign stuff in my leg, the muscles just kept on taking over. It was really good.